Hi Bean Beauties, welcome in. I am going to show you my rogue collection. So if you're interested to find out what rogues I have, come on back and let's check them out together. Alrighty Bean Beauties, I am not ready for fall. Usually I'm ready for fall, but this has been a kind of a strange summer and I'm still in the summer vibes. So I kind of lost about 3 weeks there in July from being sick. So I still need a little bit more. It is Labor Day weekend and I'm trying to get ready for the fall. And you know that Julie from Aged Bag Reviews, she is just really pushing fall down the road. She's just pushing it in, whether we're ready or not. She has inspired me to do my rogue collection because she is all about rogues. I think now the rogue bag is her favorite bag. So it got me thinking, you know what? I have a few rogues that I have finally put together, and I got my coveted rogue bag that I was searching for many years. I finally was able to add it to my collection, and so right now I'm satisfied with my rogue collection. So I thought I'd show you what it looks like. So let's get started, okay? Okay, let's start with the first rogue that I acquired. All of these bags were pre-loved. So the very first one that I collected is this beauty. Oh my goodness. This is the Rogue 20 with braiding. And I got this, look y'all, attached still. I got this still attached. It's from a friend of mine that I found through Caleb Snell's membership group. And she is also on Instagram. She does some reselling herself, and she was upgrading her collection and is getting rid of a bunch of Doonies and a bunch of Coaches, and I bought several of them from her. And this is one of the beauties that I got from her. It's the wine color, and it is just beautiful, beautiful. If I remember, I'll try to put down on the bottom when I got it, but I did do an unboxing on it somewhere. But it's just beautiful. I love this on here, and let me show you. You know, it's the straps that get me. It's those details that get me. This is the 20, I believe. And oh yeah, I forgot. She also threw in for the price this wallet. So it's one of the wallets that I really like. The is it the Essential wallet, the braided Essential wallet, and it's one of these great little wallets that I just have fallen in love with, that have become one of my favorite wallets. This is what put it over the top for me, y'all. This is why I bought the bag. It was the strap. It is a shoulder strap. It doesn't quite become a crossbody for me, but it will do the shoulder carry for me. It also does have the shoulder straps. Julie is really into wearing the shoulder straps. I like the crossbodies, but since this one really doesn't do a crossbody, it just will do the one shoulder carry, I think, on me, unless I use extenders on it. But I might pull these out and try them. This is one of the bags that are up there for my first fall bags. And I like the braided detail. The braided detail is just gorgeous. I mean, I just love it when handbags have that braiding on there. It's just almost something that I cannot resist. It's just beautiful. Love the color. So let's get to the next one that I purchased. Okay, this is the next one I purchased. This is the Rogue 25. It's a little bit bigger than the other one that I just showed you. Here is the front, the side, the back, the other side, the bottom, and the top view. I like how the handles, can be worn down or worn on the outside. Just really easy to carry. It's got the key clay there, and I'm not sure if it doesn't have the 1941 Coach tag on it. This one I got from It's Hadrian. This is the Dusty Rose Pink Quilted. It says studded, but it's a Chevron design. But I really don't see like studs. I mean, unless that's what they consider the studs, I don't know. But when I got this from It's Hadrian, it did not have straps, so he included this strap with it. So this has out back here the suede, but on the inside it's the kind of the canvas lining. This one, out of the ones that I have now, would be one that I might be willing to part with because it's a little bit bigger. I think it would be okay because it's still on the small side, but for me it's a little bit bigger. I like the little bit smaller ones. But the 25, I mean, it's not a bad size or anything like that, but this would be one that I might consider letting go. But I do like it. I do like the color. I think it's the color now that I got it home and I have been looking at it, is the color is just a little bit soft for me. I'm more of a boldy kind of a person, so I like it. It fits my collection, but it's one of those, as I'm trying to curate my collection, it's one of those that just doesn't, like, the palette just kind of goes, you know, it doesn't give me that oomph. When I first saw it, I thought it was exciting, it was a great price, but along with my other collection and stuff, it's just really, it's nice to have this color in my collection, but I like more of those brighter pinks. But this would be a great pink for the fall. But like I said, this would be one that I might be willing to pass along for the right price. For the right price. So let's see the next one that I got. Let's check that out. Alrighty, so this one also came from my Instagram friend. This is the Rogue 17 with the rivets. She was trying to upgrade her collection, and so she was letting her rogues go. She let these go at a fantastic price, and I just love this. It's just so cute. It's a black bag with some personality. I usually don't do black bags too much because one, it was because of the animals. I didn't really have a place to store them, and so having black bags and animal hair and things like that, it's easier to clean them off of these. But now that I have space to keep them in, kind of away from the dogs and the cats, then it's an option that I'm willing to have now. And it's also the 1941 line as well too. She's just a cutie patootie. I love her. All right, so the next one, let's see what the next one is. Okay, this is one of my top favorite rogues. I would love to add more of these to my collection. So that's why that Dusty Rose pink one, once I got this one, that one I was like, you know, I love this one. When I carried this one, I could not get out of it. It just was such a nice carry. Here's the front. This sold me once again. The strap, I love the strap. It has the back pocket. It's plenty of room on the inside. There's plenty of room. I did wear this quite a bit. I even made this a home base bag for a little while. It's also part of the 1941 line, but it's just beautiful. I'm at the point now where I need to let go of something in order to bring something else back in. So if I were to let go of a rogue and to bring another one like this in, then that dusty pink one would be one that I would be willing to let go. This is one of my top 2 favorites, or 3 favorites of my rogues. 4 favorites. I think out of I have 5 rogues to show y'all, and out of the 5, 4 of them are my favorites. So the Dusty Rose, the poor Dusty Rose, she's pretty, but she just doesn't give me the love of these other 4. But I just love this design. It's got the top handle. It's got this beautiful crook of the arm bag. I wore an extender so I could wear it as a shoulder bag. It does have a crossbody strap as well too. So between the crossbody strap and the shoulder strap, I was able to wear it. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, let's see the last one. This is the creme de la creme. This is the icing to the cake, the cherry on top to my rogue collection. I waited on her since 2023. This was the first rogue that I wanted, and I finally got it. This is the last one I've added to my collection. She is adorable. She's a 17. I saw her for the first time on Yota Styles channel, and ever since that, I have loved it. I have tried to get hers away from hers when she was purging her collection. Her cherry, she just never would get rid of. So I think that this one, I mean, I love this one. I'm satisfied. I still think I would like to add a cherry bum bag and possibly a cherry rowan. If this is all I get, I'm satisfied with this one. It's just beautiful, beautiful bag all around. She does have the crossbody with her. I just unboxed her not too long ago. But this is the last one that I added to my collection. I have five Rogue bags. Out of the five, four are top of the line to me, and I would not part with them. I really, really am in love with them. One, I would be willing to let go so that I could bring in another top handle, because I think I would like another top handle Rogue. There is a denim one, and I also saw a leopard one. So I'm really more after the leopard top handle than the denim. So the leopard top handle bag, I would love that one. Maybe I can get that one down the line. But now I'm at the point where I have to sell some bags off to bring some others in for financial reasons and for room reasons. Because this is the last room that I have. This is the room that I have finally moved back into now that my brother has moved out. So now I have my room back, and I'm just starting to put it together. So forgive the mess. I'm not sure how much mess you're going to see. There's no more room. There's no more room to put anything, and I need to keep it contained in here. So I definitely have to put some restrictions on myself. Not that I want to. We're getting closer and closer to retirement, and that was, if you started with my channel, the retirement phase of my life is what I was trying to get to with my handbag collection when I went back into it, and my channel is trying to get myself retirement ready. And so you're going to hear more about what things I'm thinking about for doing for retirement, and seeing where my collections are. I'm wanting to get my collections into a manageable ways that I know what's in my collection, so then I know what I want to add, if anything, or if I'm satisfied with each collection within itself. Alrighty, Beanbeautis, thanks so much for coming by. And Julie, thanks for that inspiration. Thank you all so much for those of you who have subscribed to me recently. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all those longtime viewers, and thank you for those who have been in between, have subscribed to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. It really means the world to me, and it helps my channel grow. Alrighty, Beanbeautis, thank you so much for being with me today. I love y'all. Bye-bye.